Hi, today we have an oil change for Mercedes B Class. For this car it was recommended 5W30. I took long life and of course the oil filter.
A few moments later.
It was at this moment that he knew.
Now is the time for the oil filter, which is located behind here. There it is. So now let's untie this filter. There. One more thing to say. Take a little bit oil of old filter and just oil this rubber just like that, so it will not be damaged when you place it back in. Now we just need to fill in the oil. Most easiest thing of all process.
$2,000 years later.
So they say 5 liters, but I will do 4.5. Then I will start the engine for about 20 seconds, maybe 30 seconds, and then I will shut it down. Then I will measure the oil with the dipstick, and then we'll do the corrections. So let's start the engine now and do the correction. So we can top up until here, and we are right there. A little bit more. I don't know if you can see this, but the level is good now. So I did exactly 5 liters into this engine. Yes, it's good. So this is actually how you change your oil. There is nothing difficult. One more important thing, don't forget to recycle your oil. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take that used oil, I'm going to pour it in here, and I'm going to bring it to the place where they will recycle it for me. Very important.